What does a penguin sound like? You might expect a soft chirp or a quiet squeak, but penguins can be surprisingly loud and unique. Some of them don't sound like birds at all. Penguins use their voices to find each other in huge, noisy colonies. Every penguin has its own call, almost like a fingerprint. Parents can recognize their chick's voice even in a crowd of thousands. Some penguins make barking or braying sounds. Others whistle or chirp. It depends on the species, and some of their calls are just plain weird. Penguins often sound more like donkeys, trumpets, or squeaky toys than traditional birds. It's one of the many things that make them so fascinating. And baby penguins? Their sounds are softer and higher pitched, like little squeaks or peeps. It's how they call for food and stay connected with their parents. So next time you see a penguin, don't just watch, listen. You might be surprised by what you hear. There's a whole world of wild sounds out there, and we're just getting started.